we're making another one of our all-natural soaps, so there won't be any fragrance. We're adding a little bit of essential oil to this. And I've added some beeswax cappings in there, so there's going to be a little bit of pollen and a little bit of other honey goodness in there. So we're just going to mix this up. Now that that's mixed, I'm going to go ahead and let it cool for a while, and we will come back when it's at about 150 degrees. All right, we're going to just drain the lye solution in. Okay. All right, so let's blend this baby up. Okay, now I'm going to add a few things. This is aloe vera and my fragrance. Fragrance I'm using are about 20 drops of camphor. I'm not going to use any kind of fragrance oils. And I'm going to add super fat of avocado oil, just the Costco brand, in there. What? Already? Oh dear, I'm going to be late to work. Oh well. Can't leave it now. Well, we're going to quickly finish this up so I'm not late for work, guys. So we're just going to pour this. That much will fill my mold. And then we're going to divide it in half. And in this one, we're going to add about a tablespoon of dried avocado pit. 2 tablespoons. And in this one, we're going to add about the same of the avocado fruit. So these have been dried at 170 degrees in my oven. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna do a little bit of that, a little bit of that, kind of like a drop swirl, but back and forth. Decent spatula, and then just scrape these out. Got to scrapey. I don't know why, but I think it irritates all soap makers if you don't see a really good scrape. You're gonna get every little bit of that. I'm just going to tamp this down, and I'm not going to do anything else to it. 24 hours. I just want that smooth. Ooh, I could do another one of those. I could practice my, it's liquid enough that I could practice my little, yeah. No, because then we wouldn't have a natural. Maybe. No. This one's got to be a plain old natural bar. I can think of it. I need to get some natural swirly boobs for the top. Let's see, just tap that down one more time. I want this all an alcohol spray, swirly without being swirly. You know what I mean? Behave yourself. I don't want to add anything to it. I just want it to be textured this way. I know. Can you let him know I'm coming? I'm done. Where are the avocados? After all this, I finally make my avocado soap. And I lose my avocados? No. Here they are. We're going to go like that. That. I don't think I made enough, guys. 6, 7, no. All right, we got a few avocados on there. Bye for now. We will see. We will see, we will see. And it's okay that the embeds are being cut in half because it's just fine. For this one though, I'm going to just shave off, oops, back rather than making it too much smaller. So there's my avocado soap. It smells like avocados and a little bit of that camphor. Is it camphor I used? Yeah, it smells wonderful. Ooh, I like that. These ones for me. We'll see y'all next time. Bye for now.